I'm Joseph from MakeBestChoice.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another review. Today we are going to review Nova. Now what is Nova? Well, Nova is a simple push button solution that brings you free traffic from a billion of potential buyers. How does it do it? Well, the mechanism is very simple. Nova gives you a plugin which you can install in your browser, Chrome browser, and then you go to TikTok, which is a very popular social media platform, and there you can follow any niche. Suppose if you are following Make Money Online niche, you can follow big marketers in this niche like Alex Becker or Grant Cardone, and you can start following them. What this app does is it not only follows Grant Cardone, but it will also follow all its followers. Now, who will follow Grant Cardone? Of course, those people who want to make money online, right? And so you get these vast list of potential buyers. And after that, you pitch your product. You pitch your affiliate product, you pitch your own product, whatever it is, wherever you want to get this traffic. And when it pops up in their network, in their particular TikTok account, that say Joseph Marketing is following them, Joseph Marketing has posted, so they would really want to see that product, what has been posted. And mind you, most of these are potential buyers. So by following the followers of the best marketers, you have the great option of getting a potential buyers platform. I believe the concept is unique and it is really newbie friendly. Who is it for? Of course, it is for marketers, affiliate marketers, digital marketers, especially for newbies, because it's just a push button solution. Plus, you have got many upgrades, many done for you solutions, which Jono and Robin Palmer provides you. Well, if that interests you, please stay on. Right after this, I'm going to jump onto the demo. There I'll walk you through the steps of the software, which is very simple. Then I'll show you all the bonuses that I have for offer for you, which are fabulous bonuses, very custom bonuses that are apt and go hand in hand to make Nova a success for you. Then I proceed with all the selling options, the upgrades, the upsells, and finally we conclude with the pros and cons and my conclusion. Another thing, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below. And don't forget to click the bell icon also, so that you may be notified every time I post a new video. Now let's jump on to the demo. Well, here I am into the members area. Now it is pretty simple over here, only 3 options. The introduction, there's the support here, and the logout options. And here is the main part, the Nova training. So you click on this, installing TikTok extension. Now this is the extension that I was talking about. All the instructions are given over here. You need to play the video, get the training, download this TikTok extension. I will not go into the details about how to install the extension because it is very clearly given over here and you can Google it also. I will show you the working of the app. So this is my Twitter account, but let me tell you that if I go to TikTok account in my part of the world, this app is currently unavailable as per Government of India directive. Now because of some policy, this has been blocked. So I'll show you the same app with Twitter, and it's almost the same, so you can understand how it functions with TikTok. So once you're logged into Twitter, you need to go and follow the influential person in your niche. For example, if it's the Make Money Online niche, Grant Cardone or Alex Becker, or any other Jono Armstrong, it can be, if it's in the affiliate marketing niche. So whoever you want to follow, just go to that account and click on any of his maybe posts. Now here is my extension already installed. There are some settings, which you click on settings, For the demo sake, I have made it follow someone every 1 minute, and maximum follows per day is 30. Now let me tell you, let me warn you that you should follow the directives given by Robin Palmer in his introductory video, where he says that if you make it too easy or too frequent, then of course TikTok is going to ban your account, because they are going to understand that this is an automated process and you would stand the risk of banning your account. So it's up to you how do you want to do it, but it's always better to follow the guideline Robin Palmer gives you. Now after you do the settings over here, you come back to your TikTok account. In my case, I'm showing it to you in Twitter, as I told you, and you just need to start. Now what this will do is that it will go and find all the followers of Grant Cardone and start following them. It's the automated process. You click on start and you forget it. That's all about it. Next is another option that is there: how to set up your offers. Now the video tutorial is over here, you can watch it. It is pretty simple. You get your affiliate link from these high ticket offers. Generally you want to send these followers, send this traffic to high ticket offer, right, so that it can convert and give you high sales. So let me show you the Ministry of Freedom. Suppose this is the link to my Ministry of Freedom, my affiliate link. Now how to get an affiliate link? Well, in this tutorial Robin shows you how to get it. I'm not going into detail about that. Next you need to go and click automatically generate your campaign here. Now here you need to just give your affiliate link over here. Suppose this is the Ministry of Freedom link, then you need to give your name, suppose Joseph. You can give your Facebook pixel ID. What this will do is that it will track all the traffic that is coming, and it will keep a record of it. This is very, very useful. Also, you can give your Google Analytics ID over here, and you can select the product, in my case Ministry of Freedom, and click and generate. So it is as simple as that. There are some upgrades over here which I'll come into in the upgrades section. Now let us move on to my bonuses section, the bonuses that I have for offer. If you like the software and want to purchase the software, you need to click on the link given in the video description below. And when you click that link, it will bring you to this bonus page of mine. When you come to this page, you will find these blue buttons that are there. It is all over the page. You click any of the blue buttons and this will take you to the sales page of the software, which will look somewhat like this. This is the sales page. Here there are some useful statistics, some case studies that are there, some testimonials that are there, and you can go through them, know more about the software. See, there are testimonials, the income proof that is there, those marketers who have tested the beta version. And over here you need to click one of these blue buttons. When you click one of these blue buttons, this will direct you to the purchase page, where you have to give your account credentials, credit card credentials or PayPal account, whatever your choice is. You give that credentials and you purchase the product. Once you purchase the product, you will get the receipt of the product. When you click on the receipt of the product, it will bring you to this Warrior Plus page like this, and this is the receipt. Let me expand it a little bit. Okay, this is the receipt, and you will have the Access Affiliate bonus option over there. When you click this blue button, you will be able to download all the bonuses that I'm going to show now. Now I have packed up some custom bonuses so that you can benefit the maximum out of Nova. My first bonus is a tutorial on affiliate system for product owners. You can see it is a hack, and it is a zip file which downloads, and it gives you a done for you affiliate system which will help you to develop your business. Now this is again a done for you system which you just need to plug in, and I believe that it is a tremendous potential for the newbies because you do not have to lift your finger. So this is my first bonus. My first bonus, it is worth $427.95. My second bonus, it is a plugin, a WordPress form builder plugin. Now these form builders are very powerful because ultimately your purpose is to build your list, and this is a powerful form builder with a lot of options, pop-ups, which will help you to get your buyers engaged. It comes at a value of $46.95. My third bonus is the tutorial on how to attract affiliates. Now there is a checklist that you need to keep in mind. This checklist is designed by Jono Armstrong out of his years of experience, so that you can leverage the maximum out of his experience and get your affiliates attracted so that they may promote your product and get you sales. This comes at a price of $344.95. The fourth bonus is the access to Aurora Pro software. Now this is a software that Jono Armstrong, the seven-figure digital marketer, affiliate marketer, had designed way back in 2019, and this software also works somewhat in the same model as Nova, so you get double Nova over here. And what Aurora Pro does is that it generates a similar system with another viral social media platform, that is Instagram, and it gives you similar way to go inside Instagram and follow the followers of all those niches, those mega stars, those mega supermarketers. You can follow them in Instagram totally on auto mode. Same concept as Nova is doing in TikTok. So you get double Nova and you get double the traffic, of course. So I believe this will be a tremendous bonus, and it will surely help you to increase your traffic drastically and of course sales. Now this bonus will be available only for the first 24 hours. If you do not register or buy the product in the first 24 hours, this bonus will be taken away. This is a super bonus, so it has its value, so don't be late. Of course, that comes at a price of $267. The fifth bonus is all the vendor bonuses. It comes at a price of $197, and all these vendor bonuses you will get inside the members area once you log in. So all the upgrades, all the bonuses you will get inside the members area. It comes at a worth of $197. Now moving ahead with the upsells and upgrade of the software. Now the front end of the software comes at a dirt cheap price of $12.95, and you will get access to a powerful Nova software and all the training modules with three done for you funnels built in. Of course, there are limitations to it. For example, there are limitations to the number of TikTok accounts you can follow, so that limitation is there in the front end. With the upsell number 1, that is the Nova Pro license, which comes at a value of $47, you get this limitation removed. That means you can follow unlimited TikTok accounts. There's a downsell for it also with limited capability. Of course, everything that you get in this Pro version is unlimited hosting, done for you review videos, give away rights to exclusive YouTube traffic, traffic training included, bonus page, review videos, etc. The second bonus is second upsell number 2 is the Nova done for you campaigns, which comes at a price of $97, and it unlocks the proven and best high converting campaigns of Robin Palmer. Now these are campaigns which he used to test the beta version of the software, and which has fetched him immense success, as you have seen in the sales page. These done for you campaigns he has included in this upsell. I tell you, with this upsell you get the exclusive ranker hacker training, how to rank your videos, and this is a really a killer training which you will need, very influential for newbies. Now the third upsell is the high ticket done for you funnel plus limitless traffic, which you can unlock Instagram and Twitter also. So it will give you a plugin that will help you to do the same thing with Twitter and Instagram also. So you were using the TikTok, now Twitter and Instagram, so you'll get 3 in 1, 3 times the traffic. So add Instagram, Twitter for access of 3 billion more visitors, so your traffic problem will be solved. However, I would not recommend this because of the Aurora Pro bonus which I have given in the bonus number 4. So I have already given Instagram to you in my bonuses, so you may not want to take this upsell because I have already provided it. Upsell number 4 is the 3 app product resellers license bundle. Now it is a combined developer rights of the software, and you can have the reseller rights also, so you have the full access to the software, which is Robin's one of the best converting products. So I believe that is the upsell. It concludes the upsell. As I said that if you want to check the software, this is a really push button done for you solution for newbies, affiliates, and if you want to check it, I would recommend surely the front end that has to be taken, and once you are convinced, you can go ahead with the pro version, which gives you access to follow unlimited accounts. Now the other upsells are up to you. This software comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, so you have ample time to test, and with all the bonuses that I have custom made for this particular app, I don't think you will need any other upgrades apart from the front end. And of course, if you are serious, you are getting profits, you are getting results, upsell number 1. So these two I would surely recommend. Now moving ahead with some of the key benefits, the pros of the software. It is totally newbie friendly. That is the biggest the perennial problem which any newbie and also senior marketers face is the traffic, and this is the hack that helps you to solve the traffic problem. Second is, it is a web-based totally. You can work from anywhere, and you just need a Google Chrome browser to get started. Fabulous trainings are included, so you will have no problems, and a classic support that is there that will help you wherever you get stuck. The cons of the software, what I personally felt was that the upsells are a bit heavily priced, especially upsell number 3, number 2. But I felt that it was a bit heavily priced. Upsell number 3 comes at $197, but who cares, since I have already provided you bonus number 4, which will suffice for upsell number 3. So I believe that solves the problem. As a conclusion, I would like to say that this is a must-have for the newbies, affiliate marketers, for those who are struggling with traffic. You can check the software, you can implement it for 30 days. You have time to check it, ample time to see whether it's working for you, and with the bonuses that I have provided, I believe you will have no complaints. You will surely achieve your goal. You need to be serious. Well, that's it for today. I hope you like this review. If I could add some value with my review, please do share it, like it, comment. Your comments are very important for me. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that every time I post a new review, a new video, you are notified. And last but not the least, let me tell you that if you are interested to get the software and get all the bonuses that I have offered, you need to click one of these blue buttons. And when you click one of these blue buttons, as I have already explained, it will take you to the purchase through the sales page. From there, you need to click that purchase button, another blue button, which will take you again to the purchase cart, where you need to fill up your details and purchase the software. And then you need to access the bonus through the Warrior Plus receipt option, which I have showed you over here. This option, you can access all these bonuses. I have given a link in the video description below, which will bring you to this page, and you can follow the procedure as I have just explained. Well, that's it for today. Take care. Ciao and be happy.